He wanted to use the Bassani. Yes, the Road Rage. Welcome back to EBT Performance Pakenham, the home of Squid Speed Shop. Today I've got something short and sweet for you. It's a little bit different. We are doing an exhaust comparison. A couple of months back, I tuned this 2017 Lowrider S. Look at it, it's pretty fantastic. But when I tuned it, it had a Roland Sands design 2-in-1. And for my money, they don't work that great. But it was already on the bike, so might as well use it. Well, that pipe had a failure a couple of weeks ago. The customer went out, grabbed another 2-in-1, but wanted to change things up. He wanted to use the Bassani. Yes, the Road Rage. My favourite twin cam Dyno pipe ever. And so I've just spent the day tuning that up, getting that right. So I'll show you a few of the little differences that is picked up. So we'll come through. Hopefully that didn't give you guys motion sickness. But what I will do is I'll cut in a run of the bike on the dyno so you can hear it sound at full chat. Hopefully the new Insta360 microphones don't clip out as bad as what I was using. So here's that clip. Alright guys, I'm interrupting this week's episode. It's an ad. I've got to promote myself, don't I? But we'll get back to it in a minute. Come on down. Get yourself some merch. It's available in store. If you're overseas, shoot me an email at info@ebtpakenham.com.au. We'll be able to sort something out. I've got both of the t-shirts back in stock. The beanies, the crew necks are on their way. And there's a couple other secret things in the pipeline, going to be ready for summer. You're not going to want to miss them. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Share it with your buddies. It only takes you a second and it helps me out tremendously. I really appreciate all you guys watching. So let's get back to cranking out another high horsepower build. Let's get to it. Right. So after the first run, the bike had the exact same tune in it for the Roland Sands design 2-in-1. And this was it. So pretty much our horsepower, our torque, I don't really care about that at the minute because the bike isn't tuned. But here are the differences. This is front cylinder and rear cylinder. And we can see where the Bassani Road Rage 2 is more efficient and less efficient than the Roland Sands design. So we've got lean spikes here at 2000. That means this Bassani pipe is more efficient here. Still more efficient, and then we richen up at 3000 RPM to 3500 RPM. That means the Roland Sands design pipe was more efficient at this RPM. But then as we head on past 4000 RPM, you can see that the front cylinder is way more efficient as it leans out. The rear cylinder is pretty similar. So as I went through and made my adjustments to get this all tracking along my line nicely, where do we end up? What is the difference? Because that is what it's all about. A to B on the same dyno. That way, whatever correction factor you're using doesn't matter. It's the same dyno. Same correction factor. We're in the same location. We're a couple of months apart. It's fine. So, just allow me to bring up where we ended up. So the final horsepower readings for the Road Rage 2. Here we go. 117 horsepower and 131 foot-pound. And this thing rips. It starts to climb from 2,500 RPM, whoop, all the way up to 131 foot-pound, and slowly tapers off. And that way we keep the horsepower up. But what did the Roland Sands design pipe do? All right, I'll find that in me notes. Here it is. Red line being our Bassani that we've just tuned. The blue line being the Roland Sands design from a couple of months ago. And you can see right here where I said 3,000 RPM to 3,500 RPM, the Roland Sands design pipe was more efficient. It was making a little bit more torque at 3,000 RPM. As we come on out the back, the Bassani just eats it. We're losing stuff all at the start to gain heaps out the back. So our increase being 5 horsepower, keeping the same peak torque. This is the part of my job that I absolutely love. The A/B testing. Is this better than this? And I get to do it all day, every day, and I absolutely love it. This was just a great opportunity to show you a before and after from just a simple exhaust swap, both being 2-into-2, both being high performance exhausts, so we're really splitting hairs to try and make a difference. But it did, the Bassani definitely showing more power from 4,000 RPM on, and that's impressive. That will win you races, that's for sure. But I'm a little bit biased. For all of these twin cam lowrider S's, no matter what the combo was, I love a Bassani 2-into-1. They just nailed it. For high horsepower twin cams, they work a treat. Don't forget to come into the store. Pick yourself up a t-shirt, a beanie. I've got some secret things coming on the way. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if the video and sound is any better in these videos. I really need to know. I need your feedback. I'm trying to improve the channel every day, so I need to know all about what you like and what you don't like in the videos. I'm enjoying the hell out of doing this, and I love getting in the comment section and chatting with yous. Go and check out the social media, my Instagram, my Facebook. That's all EBT Performance, Pakenham. And until next week, hooroo.